this living area is, where you can set your sofa, and here's your kitchen space, where you can add up your parallel fitting platforms like spacious bedroom, and there is ample of space to move around. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal, and today we are here at Kalyani Living Tree, which is located right here in Bangalore Aerospace Park, North Bangalore, and the project is developed by Kalyani Developers. Today we are here to check out their model flat. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So right now I'm standing in front of the marketing office. This is the marketing office of the project, and now the land parcel is whole over here in 25 acres. And now let me introduce you all with Housey. So what is exactly Housey? Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, ultimately which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry, because now Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about this project with the help of this beautiful miniature. So the project is developed in total 25 acres of land parcel, constructed with 10 towers, with each tower of 2 basement ground plus 24 floors, with 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 2.5 and 3 BHK premium residencies. Now about the amenities part, and the project provides you world-class amenities like here's the cricket ground, badminton court, football ground, multi-purpose court, clubhouse 1. So basically there are 2 clubhouses with all the indoor amenities, and there is maximum of open space in the project plus many more amenities. Now about the location part, and the project is located near to New Airport Road in KIADB Aerospace Park in Bangalore, North Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of the project. So basically this road will connect you towards New Airport Road in just 200 meters. So you can connect to Bangalore Road in 700 meters from the project. Vikrant Hospital is 800 meters away. St. Fran's School is 1 kilometer from the location of the project. So this is your 2.5 BHK east-facing model flat of 1135 square feet super built-up area at Kalyani Living Tree project. So let's have a look at this beautiful model flat. So once you enter, you can have a look at the spacious living and the dining area. So you can have a look how spacious this living area is, where you can set your sofa, set your couches, and which has its connecting balcony. So here's the connecting balcony. Once you move inside the balcony, here's with anti-skid flooring, iron railing, and this balcony is 3-side covered, giving you a perfect city view. Now once you step inside your living area, you can have a look exactly in front of your sofa set. You can set your TV unit, and one more point, they have even provided one window right here. Now about your dining area, so exactly in front of your kitchen area, you can set your dining table right over here, and here's your kitchen space, where you can add up your parallel fitting platforms like this, with the cabinets which has its utility area as well, with anti-skid flooring and a provision for machine. Now about your bedroom space, so your 0.5 room and bedroom number 1 is right over this side. Now let's move further towards your 0.5 room. So once you enter this room, you can have a look about the space over here, which they have converted into a study room. You can add up your study table, your storage space, and here's the space. This is a balcony area. And now they have given the common washroom right over here with the easy access to your 0.5 room, with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fitting. Now moving further towards your bedroom number 1, which is right beside your 0.5 room, and here's the space. So once you enter this room, you can have a look at the spacious bed space over here, and it has a connecting balcony, that is a standing balcony which comes with anti-skid flooring and iron railing. The wardrobe space is over here. Now we'll be moving further towards your master bedroom, but before that, let me introduce you all with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tool, with its sample flat videos, with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule, and 360-degree location tool. All these wonderful features under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free on Housey.com. And now about the master bedroom. So your master bedroom is on the other side of your bedroom number 1. And once you enter this bedroom, you can have a look at the spacious bedroom, and there is ample of space to move around inside the room with a huge bed space right over here. Again, a stunning balcony, that is a Juliet balcony, comes with anti-skid flooring and iron railing. And here's the wardrobe space. And this master bedroom has its own master toilet area as well. So here's your attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fitting. The bathing area is separated via tile rope to avoid the water spillage inside the washroom. Now, as you all know, we are here at Kalyani Developers Project. Have you checked another project with this builder? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking for more details of the project, all is mentioned in the I button. And lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.